fold it into two. Okay, right now we are going to create pleating. You are going to take it round until the end. Okay, because okay, my people, let me continue with my voice, because the original video, my voice was not there for the whole of the video, but this one I'm going to use my voice. I will use my voice. I go talk with my mouth. Yes, so hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from YouTube, you are welcome. If you are watching me from Facebook, you are welcome. This video hit 1 million views. I decided to bring it back again for those who never watch the video. Yes, as you can see, I already said from the beginning, fold the material into two, so that you know anything Ankara material is more lighter than the Ashoke material. So if you fold that into two, you now have that weight. This yard, the yard of this length is the yard is 6 yards. So just divide it. Always reserve 30. 30 is what I always say. Once you hear 30, that 30 mean you reserve one small part from this side of it for you to knot it later at the back. The day we do this video, my mother, she was so tired because she did come to my, she was not sorry, she was not here for the Gele. She just came to do her photo shoot. She just came to do a photo shoot, and with her wig. And I tell her that I have this material. Can we use? Can I use this material that I have? I want to create thumbnail. This is where my thumbnail come out. Oh. Okay, she said yes. Okay, she celebrated her 18 years birthday. That was that was ending of last year, 8 months ago. So glory be to God, this video went viral. It go viral. Hey, there's one man that I always see have his video on Facebook, will say a video now wage go viral a video now wage go viral, a video now go viral. So I was surprised the video go viral, not even viral. The video, guys, I'm super excited. You know, the reason I'm happy, many people don't understand. YouTube, to get view is not easy. I easily get view on Facebook. Before my Facebook was demonetized, that was 3 months ago, my Facebook demonetized, but glory be to God, my Facebook is back. The ad and everything is back to normal. So I easily get view on my Facebook before they give me that policy strike. When I have that policy strike on my Facebook, I just, with the contribution of the people advice, because some of my video hit almost 2 million, 1.8 million, 800,000, 1.5. So, and those videos, they contain copyright. That is on my Facebook, Deck Beauty. And this video, because they carry copyright, they go viral. Oh, my people, come and see video. Oh, my video, I deleted 300 videos. Then I decide to start afresh. If you watch my videos on my Facebook now, I decide to start afresh. So everything just go down. I just say I will start afresh. God will do it. All my now these days I'm having little view, but I don't care. I know that gradually everything will come back. My view will come back. As far as Facebook can open my advert and they give me my monetization back to me, I'm happy. So gradually my video will start going viral again on my Facebook. Because those videos I deleted, they were going viral, but no advert, no money, nothing. I said, no. It's better I delete this video. Then we'll start afresh. Facebook is easy to get view for me. But YouTube, my people, you now understand now, YouTube is not easy to get view. But even though you don't have view, don't give up. Keep uploading. So that is it, my people. This video, I will still upload it on my Facebook, because I promised my Facebook people that all my video I deleted, I will bring them back gradually. But this time with my music. I don't want to use people music again. People music really show me way. And those people that are still using people music, they say, hey, not me, no copyright. A day will come, the day those people will decide to put copyright on their music, the thing will affect you. That is why I decided to do my music. Now I have my signature sound that I use. Everybody, I don't know now. Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. The beauty house. Yes, so this is their beauty. We are all in one beauty. Makeup, gele, traditional bridal hair. In fact, we did do everything beauty. So this style, I hope una focus on a high for this style. Don't focus your voice, your ear for my voice alone, and just open your eye and see what I'm doing there. You see what we just do, because it's CCR, we reserve some more from the starting for this side of it, which I call 30. Then we start taking it round on top, pretty until it gets to the end. This is the end now. This is the end. Now I'm going to knot it at the back. My mother, she's so tired, and she's the type, she don't like Headwrap, but I just beg her. UK for years, it's not easy to get model, but sometimes if you get all these fine girls, they come to your studio, you will just beg them, tell them you want to use them to do like 2 Headwrap, because I observe, say for my YouTube channel, they don't like makeup video. I don't like makeup video. That is the reason I don't upload makeup video again. Now only gele Headwrap. Enjoy. They enjoy Headwrap. But in case you want to learn how to do makeup, I am here. Yes, so I based here in United Kingdom, London. Guys, I just noted at the back. I observe for the original video, many people say, show us the back, show us the back. The back is just, I just noted at the back. Then the SS, any rough thing that is there, just gather them together and use pin. The back is not hard. Just cover the back side and use pin to pin anywhere that needs pin. This front side is more important. Yes, 6 yards. The yard is 6 yards. In case you are asking me on my comment section, how many yard? Now 6 yards. Do the pretty, put it on top. Do the pretty, put it on top. Watch the video again and again. You will understand. Yes, gele is easy to tie. You ask yesterday video, how many people watch it? My son, my little boy, he was tying gele. I upload it on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Go and check. Small pikin tie gele. Boy, for that matter, will not be girl. Because I have boys in this my house. I'm the only woman. I have 3 boys. So I tell them all of you now, yeah, it's time to learn gele. They tell me that they already know. They already know. Or, when my boy display, I was shocked. I said I will upload this video. Yes, so guys, this is the final. This is the final. Thank you. Thank you. Please don't forget to drop your comments. Bye.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty.
Don't make up opportunity, just call on them.
That beauty.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. The beauty house.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. The beauty house.
Carry